Morning, teacher. This video is about the explanation about the main code of my project. Uh, I made some modification from the original example. So this is the simple flow chart. So in the code, I divide it into 4 parts. The first part is to draw a screen pad, and the second part is draw a body of the pad. And the other part is add emotion or character or the trend, the mood of the pad. And then we have the result. So let's see uh, how to draw a screen pad. So this one is draw a screen pad. So line number 4 and line number 5 is basically to draw the screen. Dark blue is the background of the screen with the dimension of 400 times 400 square meter. So this is the size of the screen that the pad will appear. So and this first line, it import the parts of the Tinker module that we will need in this project. And this one is to start the ticket and open a window. And this one is the command. C.pack is the command arrange things within the ticker window. This one. And for root.main loop is the start of the function that looks alter the input event, such as mouse clicks or something. And next part is draw the body. Once we have the screen that will that the pad will display, so then we start to draw the body. This code is the body drawing of the pad. So the body is created according to this code. We have two ears, left and right, and these are the coordinate x, y of the uh, coordinate system, and outline is the body color, and field is with the color too. So this bow too is the one that I added to make a difference from the example, because in the example there is no bow, so I add 2 bows to make the difference in the example. So here I put the outline to be white and fill with pink, so the color in the bow will be pink and the outline will be white. This is what I added. And then we also have in the example that 2 ears, 2 foot, eyes, and mouth, happy mouth, and normal mouth and tongue, left cheek and right cheek. This is the body part of the pet. So the next part is changing the mood. So in this part, they have many functions that add the emotion to the pet. In this um, slides, I just add a little bit. I just add only one function that is about high happy event. So indeed, there are many, but I choose only this one to explain about it. So the first two lines of this function, uh, line number 69 and 70, is hide the pink cheek because the state is hidden. And 71 and 72, 71 is hide the happy mouth, and 72 hide the normal mouth, and line 73 hide the sad mouth because the state is hidden. And line number 116, being leave hidden happy, is corresponding to the function def hide happy event. So this is the function that make uh, the mood or make the motion in the pad when we put the mouse into the screen of the pad. And here is the result of the code that I run. So I train instead of dark blue color to be the blackout color, I turn it to yellow. And here is the bold, and um, instead of white, I made train to red, and the eyes is outline is thicker, and the eyes inside is much bigger, and also the mouse is bigger. So when we put the mouse uh, in somewhere in the screen pad, and then it will show happy face. And when we don't put the mouse into the screen pad, it will show like a kind of normal face, not very happy, but it's nice. So, and I put the mouse into this screen, and then it's made big smile and big eyes. And here the comparison is of the result. So the first two in the first column is one from the example without making any change. So the blackout color is dark blue, and the happy state when you put the mouse into the screen of the pad, it will show this result. And this is the normal phase, normal state when we run the code. When we compare these two columns, we can see that I add the bold, and I made big thick figure outline of the eyes, and the eyes inside the black dot here is much bigger, and the mouse here also thicker and smile larger mouth, and this one is um, normal state of the pet. So these are the difference, and I made modification for the code. And next, let's see the code of this example. So this is the example. I will run this, and here is the example. So when I put this one, it will happy and will smile and show happy state. And when I made the modification, now I run my code, it will come like this. So this is the modification version of my code. So thank you very much